What's the secret to a delicious chewy chocolate chip cookie? Our first secret is browning our butter. So 1 stick of unsalted and 1 stick of salted butter. Melt it on a gentle simmer so that we avoid burning our butter. It's gonna bubble like this and it'll be a little bit foamy on top, but go ahead and just wait and do a light simmer, and then we're just waiting for that color to change and that aroma will change along with it. We'll set it aside so that we can let it cool, and use your spatula to get all of the delicious remains on there. Our next secret ingredient in here is bread flour. We're going to use about 2 cups and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, as well as 1 heaping cup of rolled oats. Give that a good stir to incorporate it throughout. This is still going to be warm but cool enough. Add your vanilla extract, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and give it a good mix. It's going to be this nice sticky mess here. And by now it's cooled enough because of the sugar that we can add our 2 eggs here. For the typical chocolate chip cookie, it's important to have room temperature eggs. However, for this recipe, you actually don't need them to be at room temperature because it's not going to matter if it creams into the butter. Once it's mixed, this is the consistency you're looking for. Now let's add the wet and dry ingredients. It has this nice deep caramel color to it. And there's no worry about over mixing it. That bread flour is actually going to make it really nice and chewy. So go ahead and give it a good mix, and then we're going to add our chocolate chips. Now personally, I don't like too much chocolate in my cookies, but you can use a whole pack of chocolate chips, or you can use about 1.5 cups. Once you got it pretty well mixed, you can get out your cookie scooper and scoop out 1 level scoop of cookie dough. And then to help the cookie spread out a little bit, we're actually going to pat it down slightly here. Do that for your whole tray, and then we're going to pop that in the oven at 350 for about 14 minutes depending on your oven. Just wait until it looks nice and golden brown on all of the edges. This is how they're going to look. They're beautiful and uniform and so delicious. Crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. This is definitely something that store-bought never does justice for. Hope you enjoyed that recipe. Follow for more. See you next time. Thanks for watching.